Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. So people, news coming out of Jamaica is that prosecution witness in Klansman trial says Vybz Kartel ordered 3 hits. Yes, you heard that correctly. Them say Vybz Kartel ordered 3 hits. People are gonna say a lie. People are gonna say no gusso. People are gonna say that are facts. But we don't know, people. We don't know. But there was a video that Sir P did. Everybody watched Sir P. I think he did a video on how Vybz Kartel ordered a hit on Popcorn, people. And that video dropped like I think a year ago, because in this Klansman case, him say Kartel ordered 3 hits and that included an entertainer. They never said the name of the entertainer, but most people is going back to that video that Sir P was talking about, and them I say I probably Popcorn that individual is. You see me, people, a bag of new developments in this Klansman trial that's going on right now. And it goes on to say a main prosecution witness has alleged that incarcerated dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel had promoted the Andre Blackman Brian-led faction of the Klansman gang to carry out 3 hits, including on a fellow entertainer. The witness say Kartel's order resulted in 2 people being murdered in Waterford in Portmore. According to the witness, an attempt was made on the life of the entertainer but failed. The witness delivered the bombshell revelation during his testimony in the Don Klansman anti-gang trial in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston today. When asked who ordered the hits, the witness told the court, "This instruction was given to me by Vybz Kartel by phone." The witness made the disclosure while he gave evidence about accused gangster Jazeel Blake. Blake is otherwise known as Squeezy Eye. According to the witness, Blake was the driver when the double murder took place and the attempt on the life of the artist. The witness also testified that Blackman Brian had sent him to monitor one of Kartel's video shoots. According to the witness, the video was recorded on McKinley Crescent in St. Andrew. The witness says the video, which the One Dan faction of the Klansman gang was asked to supervise, was for Kartel's hit song Buck Up Inna. Lord, people, a bag of things are going, people. A bag of things. And also to people, another entertainer, IOctane, in the trial, witness says that some of the Klansman escorted IOctane to the studio where they would hang out and drink and think. Jano, people, a bag of things are going on in the trial, a bag of things. You see me? And as me I say, people, nobody don't know for sure without evidence and facts. You see me? Because people I say the witness probably just a call out a random name and you see me I say it'll lead to cartel. It's a bag of things, people. It's a bag of things, but me just want opinions on what you all think, is actually going on. You see me, people? It goes on to say, people, the prosecution's second witness in the Klansman gang trial today told the court the alleged gangsters would often accompany popular dancehall artist IOctane to record in studios. IOctane's given name is Bayami Muir. The witness is presenting evidence against 33 alleged gang members, including Andre Blackman Brian, the man he said headed the One Dan fraction of the gang. According to the witness, the reputed gangsters, including Brian, would leave from their headquarters in Jones Avenue with the dancehall star to visit a studio in Dunrobin, St. Andrew. He says the musician's daughter would also be in the studio as he recorded his music. The prosecution's first witness had earlier told the court that Brian knew powerful people. stressing that the One Dan gang knew powerful artists. The witness had given that for the reason he was initially afraid of testifying against the alleged gang members. You see me, people, I just want this witness have to go be in some serious protection, or I have to go leave the country. You see me, cause you know, them same face, Lord, people can carry out hits from in a jail and thing, people. So I pray for the witness, cause you know it rough. A bag of things me say I go on at Jamaica, people, bag of things going on at the moment. You see me? But this bombshell that them dropped today with IOctane and Vybz Kartel, sure you're not gonna hear more info on it as it develops. Guaranteed, people, you see me? So if I get any more information on this, I will let you guys know. So once again, big up in yourself. Thank you guys for tuning in to Yaad and Abroad TV. Much love and appreciation. Bless up, big up, loving up.